Hello everyone, my name is Madhav Dusad and welcome to Gyan Shalad Masti. Today we will be talking about that what is the sweet spot of the bat. Now you may have heard many times in the commentary that the ball has hit the sweet spot and it goes to a 6. So just what is this sweet spot, and when the ball hits the sweet spot it makes a very good noise. So let us talk about what this sweet spot is. So for understanding the sweet spot, first we will look at water. So, water is in a tank. Let's imagine a tank and there's water in it. So, when the water is moved, so there is a wave is formed. So, the wave goes like this, and if this is the wall of the tank, this from this wall to this wall, if the wave is generated here, so the wave will go here and then it will be reflected back again, so it will again go like this. So when the coming wave like this and the reflected wave they meet, so they create a standing wave or a stationary wave. So when this happens, there is always the top part of the wave which goes up and down. So this is the point which makes the most movement, which is known as antinode. And when the if we draw a straight line between the waves, so we will get a point known as nodes, which makes the least movement. So if like this is a tank and the waves are going like this, so the top height is this and there the antinodes are there. But if we go here between the wave, so there will be a point where the least movement is made, which is known as the nodes. So here the wave is the smallest. So now we will see that what does it have to do with the bat. So when the ball hits the bat, so there's a similar wave like structure. If we take a bat and if we draw a wave like structure, so if the ball hits the antinode, uh, the power which is there it will be lost. So if the ball hits the antinode, it's the power which will be transferred it will be lost and the ball will be either catch or it will not be hit perfectly. But if the area around antinode, which is the node in the bat, that is known as the sweet spot. So the area around antinode, if the ball hits there, that is the sweet spot, and the biggest the smallest wave is there, so the energy loss is the energy loss is the least there. So if the energy is not lost, so it is transferred to the ball, and hence if the if the energy is transferred to the ball, then it will go to a higher height and go to a 6. So hope you understood that what the sweet spot is. So please like and share this video and please subscribe to the channel also. Bye.